The Secret of the Forest. Once upon a time, in a vast forest full of green trees, fragrant flowers, and sweet singing birds, everything was peaceful and full of joy. The forest was so beautiful that people called it the Forest of Golden Leaves, because when the sunlight touched the leaves, they glowed like gold. Many animals lived in this forest. An old wise monkey everyone called Grandpa Shaponi. He loved to tell stories and share the secrets of life with the other animals. One day something strange happened. Humans came to the forest. They started cutting down trees, building roads deep into the heart of the forest and scaring the animals. Birds left their nests, deer ran away, and the whole forest was filled with fear. The animals went to Grandpa Shaponi for advice. The wise monkey said, "If you don't unite and stand together, we will lose our home. We must show the humans that this forest is not just our home, it's the breath of their own lives too." So all the animals gathered. The birds flew over the city, showing the children what was happening to their forests. The deer and other animals entered the city calmly. They didn't attack or fight. They only protested in silence. The children were shocked. They ran to their parents and said, "Please listen to the forest. The animals are crying." The pure hearts of the children became a mirror for the adults. Well, soon the government stopped the cutting of trees, passed a law to protect nature, and gave life back to the forest. Even today, if you ever visit the forest of golden leaves, you will hear the sweet songs of birds. Feel the gentle breeze, and you might even hear Grandpa Shaponi whispering. Be kind to nature because it is the foundation of your life.